The most emerging analytics technology nowadays is the facial analytics. The main motive of facial analytics is to study the facial expressions of the people. These facial expressions helps the business organizations to discover the human emotions. So we can say that the branch of analytics which helps us to understand the hidden human emotions by studying their facial expressions is known as facial analytics. Both the individual and group behavior can be easily studied through it, and various business organizations are nowadays using facial analytics to study the customer behavior. Facial analytics can be performed by both the two-dimensional technologies and by three-dimensional technologies. In two-dimensional technologies, the images are captured and saved in the database for further analysis. But with the technical advancements, nowadays three-dimensional facial analytic technologies are used, so in which the real-time images are captured by a camera and they are analyzed at the same moment. So with this three-dimensional technologies, the accuracy has also improved, or we can say the accuracy has increased. So this facial analytics works on a system known as facial action coding system. This system identifies the changes in facial expressions and later interpret those expressions so that we are able to get the desired output. Now let's discuss, or let's see how this facial analytic technology works. The facial analytics working is based upon the nodal points of human face. These are there are around, we can say, 80 nodal points on human face. These nodal points include the eyes, then the size of eyes, then the length of nose, type of skin, the shape of your jaws, the shape of your cheeks and chin are some of the nodal points. The facial analytics technology works on identification of these nodal points. The facial analytics software form a code based on these 80 nodal points. There are codes used in facial analytics for comparison of similar people, or we can say in order to identify the person based on these codes. These are some of the important applications of facial analytics. The first one is to study customer expressions. Many retail stores have cameras installed at different customer touchpoints which capture the customer facial expressions. When they are shopping, the sales staff can analyze the response of customers towards a particular product or display offers. Then is it assists in advertising by analyzing the facial expressions. The advertisings at retail stores and malls can be displayed at right time. Facial analytics enables the gender specific advertising displays whenever a person of a specific gender approaches the advertising display boards. Then it is used for biometric technology. Various organizations are using facial analytics for identification purposes through biometric technology. Banks, airports, and other high security institutions are using this technology. Next is assist in nabbing criminals. So the facial analytics enables the police and other securities agencies to nab criminals by matching the images of suspected criminals with the databases, or capturing the suspected criminals from a group of people. Then next, the facial analytics is used to grant entry rights to the individuals in a highly restricted security area. Next comes, it assists in training and teaching by capturing the facial expression of employees and students. The trainers and teachers can identify the level of learning of the students and the employees. The interest level of the students in learning can also be checked through facial analytics. Hence, we can say that facial analytics is nowadays used in all major areas to improve the efficiency and accuracy of business operations.